Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by cleansing and drying the skin so the mixture absorbs. Once done, perform a quick patch test on your inner wrist to check sensitivity. Puncture 1 vitamin E capsule and squeeze the oil into a small dish. Then add 1 teaspoon of Gulab Jal and stir until uniform. This dilutes the oil for even spread and adds hydration. Make sure to use sterile tools and work with small batches so the mixture stays fresh and effective. You now focus on application. Dispense 2 to 3 drops onto fingertips and dot across cheeks, forehead, and chin, avoiding eyes and nostrils. Then massage in upward circular strokes for about 60 to 90 seconds to increase circulation and absorption. Vitamin E is an antioxidant, and the rose water helps soothe. Once done, you can leave the blend on for 10 to 20 minutes for a quick boost, or overnight if your skin tolerates oils. Make sure to monitor. You complete the routine by rinsing gently with lukewarm water or blotting with a damp cotton pad if your skin feels greasy. Then pat dry and apply a lightweight moisturizer. Make sure to use SPF during the day because topical treatments can increase sun sensitivity. Store any leftover mixture in a cool, dark place and use within a week. If irritation, burning, or allergic reaction appears, stop immediately, rinse thoroughly, and seek medical advice. This simple step prevents complications and keeps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.